2020 Dodge Challenger 392 TA edition. Really beautiful car. It's got factory converters there and there. This gentleman is coming from Maryland to us here in Tennessee. He came off our YouTube channel. Factory X-Pipe, factory 3-inch, then factory mid mufflers, factory 3-inch back with the valves. You never take these off because they will throw a check engine light and make it go into limp mode. So you guys don't want to take these off. And then we did a rear muffler delete there and there, and did quad tips out the back right there and right there. Dodge Challenger TA 392. Really beautiful car. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. 2015 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack 6.4 liter V8. It's got original converters right there and right there. Got factory 3-inch into a factory 3-inch X-Pipe. Then we put some Vibrant glass packs on it on both sides, right there and right there. They're like the Dynamax bullets, but a little bit different. Then it's got the active exhaust on it, there and there. And we left the rear mufflers out the back. They didn't want it too loud. And left the original tips. There it is, right there. There's the Vibrant mufflers. If you want them, there'll be a link in the description for them. Came out really nice with those tips. Come off the hole, please. No, just bring it in whenever you're ready. Go ahead. Oh, man. Hey, hit the sport button. Sound decibels. Again. 102. All right. And there's the mufflers we cut off of it right there. Okay. I'll take that. Sure. Go ahead and back it up. That sounds mean. That's perfect.
It is perfect.
Yeah, it's not too loud.
Thought I should have made it.
Yeah. You know, that's the same exhaust that they put on the Hellcats too. The one, the original that's on this one is the same on the Hellcats and the Scat Packs.
Right, right.
Let you guys hear on the inside. Go ahead. Oh, it's not bad. Sound decibels. 113 on the sound decibels, bro. That thing's loud. No video on that. It's down and out. Yeah, he hit something, that's why that tip is a little bit crooked on it. He's gonna come back, we're gonna put him some new tips. Vibrants. Not bad at all. We'll put you guys the link in the description for the Vibrants. Let you guys hear on the inside. mode. He would have went even crazier, but because of the rain, he didn't. Hope you guys like it.